Okay, we don't do on top another episode of the ChookMouthGeng. Nothing serious. Yes, okay. My name is A to the D to the A. Ada, the only girl who say her beauty. It even stress her sometimes, but you know, I cope. I try to cope. Okay, and I need to work out alone on top this one. I did with Papi spending
in dollars. You know what, Timagbo?
I never see these dollars alive for my life. I never see them for your.
Don't worry yourself now. You don't get domiciliary. Correct. Domiciliary.
It's okay. It's okay.
That account for US.
No embarrass yourself. No embarrass yourself. And on top of this episode, what we want to talk about? There, it go burn you. As in, you go burn your ear.
Your fingers are gonna be burnt.
I'm telling you, go burn. Even as you watch, I go to burn you too. Now you make carry kajad ogbonge people. I go start with our in-house person, Uzomatic Uzo, expert extraordinary in matters wey concern
blowjobs.
SEX, sex, and in blow, and the matter of the other room, and of course every concern relationship. Uzomatic Uzo, how you dey?
I'm doing very kajad.
Uzo, I love your hair.
Thanks a bunch.
Okay, and I know now. I dey come to person last. You won't go be last. Fair, my gender, this gender.
This other gender.
They must hear what
You're here today.
How you doing?
I did, Jerry.
And Pretty Mike.
Alpha, what the
When I first see her, I ask her, say, why you no carry ordinarily Pretty Mike they come out. You dey see fire, herbalist, priest,
Calabash.
brimstone. You know, something must follow. But only I walk out come today. Pretty Mike, what's
No,
up?
I didn't come alone.
Chi.
Pearl came with me.
Hey.
Avoid me.
Hey.
Okay. No be you I carry come.
Hey.
But now you are go carry go. Is that a message? Okay.
We don't balance them. You go carry Pearl, go carry Uzo go.
Okay, no problem. I never walk alone. Liverpool. How are you doing, Pretty Mike? Really
Blessed.
blessed. Always. Okay.
Too blessed to be stressed.
All right. Okay, the topic I said we go talk about, we go burn in our ears and of course in our hands now. If you go on date, the first date with person, and you knock the person on that first date, that one means say
You be
cheap.
carpenter.
Oh, when I mean knock, you know, you do the do.
Okay.
You do the do, knocking on the first date. I know I need to hammer am because some people now go start to say, I don't understand. You knock on the first date. That one means say you cheap, you know they're responsible at all. Make I start with you, Uzo.
No why you choose to start with me.
I know why.
Uzo is a
Only
virgin.
we know why.
She doesn't.
But anyways, sex on the first date, whether na cheap,
Whether
or
you make the
being
person cheap,
responsible.
or you know, you're
We don't see people who do sex on the first date and then they 15 years, 20 years in marriage, happily married. No be the one where they koto, where they snap for Instagram or something. They are living happily. I would not see the people then we do first date sex and everything scatter for them. Now the thing where they be say intention where you use have this sex, that's the one thing we were supposed to get from mind. We don't see where they go tell you say 90 days rules. Give the guy 90 days rules, 3 months before you have sex with him. This guy will patiently wait for you. Meanwhile, they also another chick outside where they collect. He go wait for something where babes need to know. Say guy feel wait 1 year just to slide into your vagina. He can patiently wait.
Wow.
Just to get in there and get out.
I've done 4 years before.
He go wait, and that now the only thing we want do. Once he achieve and he go come out. He go patiently wait. He go they collect for outside. But now you they wait for to sample. Once he sample, waiting one sample, he go work. So there are no fast rules to this thing. The thing where they be say waiting be the intention where you use they do. What's your intention? Why you want have this sex with this person? And then I think when we start to get this conversation. Now, because most ladies, when they have sex with men, they feel used. And I have issues with that. You come out, have sex with the guy, and you're coming to say that when the thing no work again, you say the guy use you. You know use the guy penis when he slide into your vagina.
Oh.
Where you know doing us.
Tell them.
So how at what point did the guy use you? Because you guys had fun. So no relationship can't scatter. You can't turn say the guy na bad guy. He use you. How he take use you? You no use your vagina. Did you not use his penis?
Oh.
Did you not write
Very
his
long
penis?
penis like this.
Wait, it just they face me. They say, did you know?
I
Ada, it could be you.
can
It could be
see
you.
that. see that if he be saying, my mind is telling me something.
It could be.
But seriously, sex on the first date, whether cheap, that cheap thing they come from my gender level, where they always feel like say is the thing no work.
No, but true.
I'm used because I don't think say guy go come out and say he had sex with the babe and you know work at his feeling cheap. So the irresponsible thing too, they come from our side too. Because I don't see where guy go have sex with the babe on the first date and he's coming to tell you to say that he feels irresponsible for doing that. Now we too go see come out come talk say we know they responsible because we not supposed to do am. We supposed to hold this thing. I go kukuma talk am. Orgasm no dey forever. Your vagina will not function in heaven.
Wow.
Neither will your penis function in heaven.
Did he say that in the Bible?
We don't know.
The girl where they say they knock forever.
That means I got
If
not
they,
for the knock
so
for you now.
honestly, if you go knock everything where you need to knock,
So let's go and do it once and
You
If
know where?
knocking there forever, me I dey wait for one person. There's somebody I really want to
Solomon.
knock.
Angel Gabriel.
Angel Gabriel.
I take no. Wisdom.
My own Angel Felicia.
So if you go there forever, I would like to knock Angel Gabriel. Don't ask me why. It's personal.
Okay. We'll come back to that knocking of Angel. Pretty much, you just be quiet, just observe. Let's say you dey plan your comeback for her.
No, with all due respect, it's not about come back for her. We are all vibing here.
Okay.
I'll take it one step at a time.
Vibrator.
It no go possible to knock Angel Gabriel.
I say if it's possible.
You know be in spec.
I did you buy
tell you, I dey
and he
do.
say no be comeback he dey do. He say no be
This is the
comeback.
comeback now.
How you take close and no be Angel Gabriel?
And one thing with those angels,
He said I want.
they knock for heaven now.
With who?
You no get orientation at the
Who
program.
they dey
Make
knock?
when you dey talk, I no talk.
Because I be not
Na
attack you.
because say you no too get home training.
Let me tell you
Na
attack
why
Angel
you
Gabriel.
just dey run this year. So make I talk finish.
Okay.
Now one of the things why they take pursue devil from heaven. You don't know say na because they knock. Yeah. Angels no suppose knock.
Okay.
Right. So that section, you know, say me
Who
and
Lucifer
my
knock?
you see you they ask questions say you know if you handle.
Now you say he knock now. So if you say he knock, you can get your facts right. Who Lucifer knock?
You know saying big gay.
Who he knock? Who he knock now?
Let him preach. Let's go. Oh yeah.
I don't want to cause this thing I go reveal secrets with my guy. Baba God tell me.
Cross J.
So I know just one. I know just we get that kind of relationship. You know, as she done the talk, the guy done the terms some kind of say this one.
So leave I know understand.
I don't really give respect.
Yeah, but back to the topic. If you knock person on the first date,
Yeah.
does it make you?
Cheap. Or irresponsible.
I think the first I don't know. I think the word here, right, for me is cheap. Cheap, no be bad word though,
Okay.
because you can be cheap in quality. So for me, do what makes you happy. It's a psychological thing. It's in our brain, right? A lot of people don't they crush on a particular person. They go out. Well, adults. As long as you're an adult, you be man, you be woman. You don't reach a certain age. Anything you want to do. I know. I heard Pachi said something about a person they feel guilty. Say they feel guilty. Say they get something you don't use them. Yeah, you know. Say no man own a soft touch. Technically, yes. The bobo user.
How?
Okay.
Are they come?
Interesting.
Used product.
Are they come?
Tokumbo. Fairly used.
I really want to know why.
Right. No. So it's a ambiguous word of manipulation. Don't think our work be that.
In your work, okay.
It dey hard to hear say woman manipulate man nakam. You to see where they go. But 9 times out of 10, now the man. Because look at you something. If me and you come out for first date, as a woman, let's even say you want to knock me, and I tell you, say, I want to knock you. This night, let's go and fuck. In the first 2 minutes of a conversation, you go first. You go first. Even though you want to knock me, you go first. But until I manipulate you, it looks sweet. See your legs. Take drink. It dey enter you. It dey enter. So even before you open this thing.
What's the thing, sorry?
The vagina.
Oh, the vagina. I forgot. I don't even know the name before.
Wazobia, don't worry, you go clear.
Thank you, Jerry.
I know say you know the TC Toto like that.
My brother, he's scarce, so he's scarce for market.
Essential commodity.
I know. We'll go there. We'll go your subject later. Because I hear say you do jigalo. But we will talk from here.
We'll keep on for another time, yeah.
So for me, if person come on the first date, in this our society, in this our environment, of course, if I talk, say, yes, say, good to knock on the first date, people go say, go hail me. If I say, good to knock, they say, but I don't lie. Because of this environment where we dey, do what you want to do. If you're hungry to knock. Nobody will force you. Frankly speaking, if I can't get come out on dates, I like to knock. And you know what? You will be the girl who don't hear the conversation of knock and where it go. I remember one time I tell one girl, say, I will get lunch. As I look, the girl look like proper, better, decent girl. We'll get lunch. She said, okay. She said, well, like what time? She tell me like 3 o'clock. She can't call me. I have to cancel. Can we do dinner? She don't give me a line. I said, I don't want to knock that first day. I was trying to be a gentleman.
Yes.
You know that kind of thing?
Maybe your this was never working that afternoon.
No, they always work.
They work 24/7.
Oh, that one.
Okay, they spoil sometimes.
Oh, you don't experience that before?
Wait.
People there with... you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So sometimes they give you the line. They give you
The queue.
go ahead. I said, okay, make sure come. We'll get date 7 o'clock. Babe, no lad dirty 9.
That's a message. Strong.
That I don't
message.
chop. Do one thing. People them say, I have a life of light brain. One glass of wine where you drink,
The brain don't light.
the brain don't light.
Wow.
You know, she say, it means say, make with the go house.
Light
For
up
me,
our
I
world.
know if one tell her, say, make with the go house. I be think say, after she go to go her house. But as she don't give me, say, you know? Meanwhile, as I did there, they drink. And the program on that babe, because I know say this one I want to discharge and say, at least one I go take settle for the make sure they go house.
for the night.
Now I message down and say, come, listen, I want to come back house. So make it they go. Because I don't get tension of who I want to carry go house. I want to come reach house. Oh, I have a library. All I kept hearing from this girl, please don't take advantage of me. All this thing I line, oh. I said, okay, no problem. You have something I can change in? I say, yes. I bring her t-shirt. She pretend. Now pretend. She dey pretend. Have a library. I say, sorry, no verse. One water. Say, no, just do okay. I give her a t-shirt. When she dress up.
Big polo.
As I give her, she enter shower. Come out. I know they arrange under room where she go there. Oh.
Okay?
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we dey hear you.
As I come back home, they get naked for bed.
Ooh.
You know where your t-shirt again?
Message.
It's the light brain.
You know what I'm saying?
The t-shirt too heavy. She won't feel light. So she won't come on the shirt.
Nice.
Me, I still respect myself because you see nowadays, any small thing, you
Nah,
get no
really.
talk, you know. Now I just go lie down. Right?
The market.
From my side.
And waiting
Face wall.
make Pretty Mike no go the second room.
I was
You
going to
know,
ask that
why
same
you
question.
still stay for that same room?
I was going to ask the question.
Good question.
You're welcome.
2. Now my room be that. Second question. That girl bless say, make I sure say she wake up. Because I was no.
You know, so she go wake up.
I was shocked because you give her a shirt, she go, and she don't wear the shirt again. She just let's say she pass out. But listen, now fake pass out. Because I can't lie down like this by myself. You know the 2 minutes. Girl can't hug me, can't cuddle me. So I'm feeling cold.
How are you from give her duvet.
Hello, Ada, please. Are we watching? Are we listening to porn?
I don't understand.
Off AC, give
No,
her duvet.
standard duvet.
Duvet, yeah.
Dey my room now.
I know you give
Better
her
one.
the other duvet.
No, as you can't cuddle me, I still confused. In fact, I was like, at that point, say my prick never stand.
Hey.
He dey hear what? No be all this kind loose prick.
Oh, very attentive.
Okay.
Like your own.
Okay. This story, okay. I really
Yeah,
want to
can
get
you?
to the end of the story.
The next thing she say maybe I know they respond. Because me, I was just trying to be. She said, make I cuddle my cuddler. I know I still wear my boxers. Then she come turn. Come put them for U shape. Come back into me.
Oh, there's a
come
shape
carry my
now.
hand,
U
come
shape.
put her tits.
And then
Have mercy.
Wow.
That's even though the constant.
I don't know when to
That
enter.
was sleeping. Now woke up.
You know that kind of thing? In the morning, I believe we're all adults, you know. When she got up, you know, cool. You know, I do what I do. Normally, me, I'm a paymaster. So whether you like it or not, I shall give you something. Make you not be safe.
You know,
Hey,
self to
master.
carry come on.
Yeah,
Yes,
thanks
no.
for coming.
That's very good.
Take
I
away,
know I
take
don't-
away part.
I'll
I
call
don't
like
even
20 of my
want.
friends.
I never even want to know you be. Like make you be anybody picking.
Moshapi.
Thanks for coming.
Must is the society and the environment we live in because you don't know our problem.
If you be your prick to solve the problem.
No be say
Okay, Naim.
my prick
So
just
just give us
I
souvenir.
beg, I beg,
Give us souvenir. Merchandise.
We're gonna move to pair now. Alpha, the question. Say you knock on the first date. No, okay, no be you now. Say the person knock on the first date. It means say the person cheap or they irresponsible.
Well, everybody don't talk and finish, It is relative, first off. But I want me to understand, say culturally, they tell us, say, it's not right, keep your virginity for the right one. They tell us that one. And it they work during their time. Of course. Now waiting they tell us, now we did there, you did there. Our mama say it work. So coming to our own time, we don't agree, say civilization don't open some things. So it don't too matter. We don't they look into personalities than the things they told us. Yeah. So waiting I feel be say, first off, I don't be fan of sex on the first date. No means I never do one. No means I no go do one again.
That means I get hope.
Okay.
Again, we just miss
So
the
when I
first
go on
time.
a first date.
But me, I just like to talk. I just like know the person. I feel say anything will work for you, like in talk. Just find a way. Because like you talk, like Uzo
Uzo.
talk, yeah. Some ladies would feel cheap. Some ladies go feel used. If you be that kind lady, no do am on the first date. Period.
So if that kind of lady now the thing hungry you to do, you guys lock
If
up.
you hungry you
So you
to
no go
do,
feel
yeah,
used.
exactly. If you hungry you to do, hold yourself because you know say you go feel bad afterwards. Except the guy, you get some guys who know how to make you not feel bad, but because you know yourself, you feel reach out, come if you say, I suppose just no matter how much they try to make you feel good, and some girls no just care, and some people where they even care, sometimes they no one care. You see, as he eats you, as he meets you, as it be vibes. No go do pretty Mike style. Alcohol style. No be everybody they want
Light
something
brain.
Light brain style.
No, you know why? You know
Nice
why she
brain.
go do the alcohol style. It still brings us back to society where we
help her
find
feel good,
ourselves. No be feel good. It still brings us back to the society where we find ourselves because where we find ourselves, they no teach us to initiate sex.
And they not
They teach us say na man go dey initiate sex. Na still the case where so many married men
So-
they face for their
so-
no hold on.
Okay.
Na still the case where so many married men they face for their relationship.
Thank you.
Okay.
A lot of them, their wife where they don't live with for 10 years, they no fit count how many times. Some of them, their wife never ever initiate sex. And some of them now only make few times now their wives don't
So I want to talk
initiate
something. I want to talk
sex.
something.
Okay.
Even get away with woman they do a thing. He don't did.
That's
No,
now
I
own
want
way
talk
of
am now.
initiate. She
I
no
want
one
talk.
day vocal
I want talk
about
something.
them.
I want to talk
Okay.
You know,
something.
say she go to go school, so sometimes just break into the thing.
Uzo, please use your training, please.
Oh god.
So
Pretty
even
much.
get away woman they do her thing.
Alright.
I feel initiate sex with touch. And even get, I feel touch am normal.
No, stop it.
But if get where I go do am, I feel come look am. I go make am know say, I know what they do.
Of course, I know.
Now they tell you say so many women no they do this initiation where you dey talk about.
So many women they do. You go say men prefer the vocal
No.
But wait, I won't believe
No,
something.
no, no,
Say
no,
no.
If a woman...
No, let me also tell you something.
Because a lot of men,
let me
they
tell you.
really like this consenting. Everybody don't even be careful.
No,
So they got see
consent-
enough green light.
No, don't get it twisted though. Consent dey different here.
Okay.
Woman allow you make you come in. It's
So
a
wetin dey
different
explain?
thing. Initiating sex.
Initiating sex now they
So
talk about.
hold on,
demonstrate
hold on.
it with
The
me.
babe
Let
the
them
babe
understand.
tell you yes can in the middle tell you no.
Yeah.
The babe where agree say make
Very
we na go reach middle of sex and say no, and at that point you as the guy need to pull out.
So that's what I'm saying. That the point where they try make me say you they talk say guys they prefer make girls they vocal with it.
No, now you no get my point.
Oh, yeah,
My
tell me your
point
point now.
is the environments where we find ourselves. The environment where we find
Mike, you better be the literate here.
the environment where we
I hear
find
you.
ourselves. The way where they don't take package girl child,
Okay.
especially when it concerns sex.
Orientation.
No initiate sex. Now man supposed come
Start
to
am.
you
Now,
with his penis and then you go submit to am.
Then if you dey talk about initiating sex, because Pay they try to make one point. If I try to understand, they say ordinary say the woman they touch like this.
Now they tell you
And
say
everything, no be part of the initiation
now
wey
they
they
tell you
talk
say
about.
some marriages
Okay.
based on clients and what I don't deal with and years of experience on this
expert.
thing. So many men they tell you say their wife know they hustle their penis.
See, make I tell you something.
Even with
I
eyes.
I feel talk something.
And they still make see.
I feel no be expert or pretty much say make I dey
Hell.
cut you. I feel no be expert. Wait,
No,
hold
Belle,
on.
make
I talk
don't-
now.
Who's up? Make she land her point. Make her hear you.
I feel no be expert, but I feel never even interview a lot of people. But we dey see these things on social media.
Okay.
I feel say most of the things when men they talk be say you go dey do am, I no see am. I feel touch am now. Maybe say na me dey do am. You know, if he dey with if he dey with a laptop. To men, they want me you talk say baby come now. What's wrong?
Okay, so pretty Mike is here. Ingo and Papito is here. They represent the male form.
Yeah, now
So
we dey
if you
run
want
am.
to
Wetin I
say
represent?
that men go want to make you initiate sex by just saying, by vocalizing it, I go tell you no.
Of course,
It
you go
doesn't-
tell me.
I will
no.
tell you
Let
no.
me
Make
get
me
to my
hear from
point.
the
Now you know they
Okay,
get
let's
my
go.
own point. Me, I
Oh,
get
yeah,
your
no, yeah,
point.
yeah,
Chill
from
for your
the
points
men.
now. Go
You
chill.
don't get my
Papito
point.
never see. Who's the way? Papito never see answer this question. But hold on first. Make I ask Pretty Mike. How this initiation of sex thing way would they talk about now? Exactly.
I want to understand that to get two things I will talk before I let people to talk.
Okay.
I want to understand where should they come from.
Okay.
Because you see when I dey talk that time, I can't talk say yes, so say any woman will come out like give am
Pay.
money, abi? She begin rub my leg.
Anyway,
I want to know, is she initiating something? This kind of thing, I want to know. You understand? Because as I talk the money matter, her leg, her hand,
where the leg there?
it begin rub my
Now
leg.
me
and
say-
take am,
one
take
thing.
Now me dey talk.
Now you they talk to them.
Jesus Christ, cameraman, shebi you see my hand on top.
am. Hey!
If it be
leg you dey use
leg,
one.
spiritual
I
rubbing.
know, as I dey try, you know, so this is a key point.
Very key now.
You know, you hear
That's
money,
the problem.
you begin rub leg.
So who's a rub leg? Good
You rub
morning.
na sharp sharp.
Mike no dey lie. You rub
Then
am.
secondly, viewers wey dey out there, both man and woman, una no need this person wey dey call in una life. If una get am, you know the thing wey she dey talk about, wey people dey initiate sex, I dey only see am for main road when girls dey say. So I take God beg una, make una no hear am o. You know say she be expert to coach girls wey dey for street.
For street.
Yes,
really?
because she gats give them confidence, because you gats initiate. But make I tell you, if you be decent girl or you be normal babe, no dey do for man o. You were not born that way. You are a princess. a queen once in a while
From a royal
and
family.
it can only be once in a while. You fit no be
So how they go take you?
it get as the waka they be.
How?
When we see them sometimes when you
Exactly, that's the
yes.
intention.
But this one where she they
male
talk,
Which one did you hear me talk?
that na come audience now no. This lady, she get PhD for knocking guys. Oh, they tell about 42 people now. She don't.
Yes,
And
for-
now
for
because she
48
they
years.
initiate all of
My
them,
body counts.
she don't lose body count.
Okay.
Oh my shit.
Who that walk on him?
Uzo,
Now Baba go there design
But they
sex.
calm down.
So he go design sex.
Yes.
Go talk am for
What they are
interview
supposed to use am do?
You know, yes, but
I'm not
we
going to
chop
use my
rice.
vagina upstairs.
yeah, exactly.
Let me
See,
chop rice.
As in heaven.
I get what you mean.
Yeah.
So we'll do it downstairs.
I beg,
Why do am here?
I want
We'll
to
do it
I want-
Why
downstairs.
do it here?
I want to
Yeah,
Finish
right
work here.
She get Instagram page.
I bet me I want
If you get if you get Instagram page, make now go check them out. Make now see the face where they talk about the person where they talk about. Make now know. You understand? Person will come begin talk about sex in heaven. Hey.
You don't tire for the ones.
Tired.
You don't tire for the ones where they earth.
You know, when she was saying that, I know say this one na agent of the devil.
Who created sex?
You know,
Na devil
I
create am.
know say, I want to say come, yes, for heaven, no knocks. But this knock where you want knock, now for hellfire you go knock,
And they go sweet, they know her.
It goes sweet.
with
The fire go
flames.
just dey burn you.
But they hot, and I go to sweat.
Okay, but you never answered this question. When we talk about say person knock on the
See,
first day,
I
make
dey
person cheat.
I dey try avoid the question because my own answer dey brutal.
Yes. The babes when you don't knock
To
for
me,
first date.
to me, first off, if you see babe for the first time, you knock am.
All right.
You no get difference between that babe and Ronsgay abi hook up.
Period.
Okay.
Talk your own.
That's what I feel.
Let's go.
So you go deep. You go. So for you patiently wait to penetrate.
No, I get patience. Oh.
No, as
porn
in-
dey there.
I want make it
Porn,
make it
porn dey there. If you get to keep me on with, I use porn and wank.
Wait,
I
I'm
dey
Now the
alright.
attacker, me talk.
No, attack me, please.
What's the difference between babe where you knock on the first date and babe where you patiently wait to knock?
One day very precious. The other day to be like fast food, quick chop.
Wait, you say
And
something
different people
about,
like hey, you put food for stove. You dey wait for am to done. You go dey hunger. They go pest for am. They wait for am. The difference is there. The wait is special. It makes
Yeah.
it lovely. Do you know how long I waited for you?
You don't knock me.
Now perception. And
Okay,
it's
when
quite
you knock me,
valid.
I don't know.
no difference between the babe where you knock on the first day
And run streak.
and runs girl. You know, say I don't hear this thing before. What's the difference between runs girl and Olosho? Difference there.
Hey.
No, I just something I don't hear. I just want to clarify.
No,
it.
no, no,
Everything
no,
are
no,
just-
no,
are
no
just
difference.
names.
It's just slogans.
It's just slogan.
No, man. Anybody will talk that now because they don't go
The
school.
packaging.
They know it's slogans.
Na packaging.
Go dictionary, you know, go
No
see
be
them. So it's
packaging,
a
na just
slogan.
Now when you want
But difference dey,
package
And
and
like
From
Olosho, Aho,
From
Asha,
waiting.
Oho.
Olosho-
And waiting.
Honestly, they are
Rose
different.
get
They are just
packaging.
names.
From what and what?
the
Different
same
between
thing.
what?
No, the
No.
Now the same thing,
Hold
but
on,
na
hold on.
packaging.
What? Let me add the question. Different between what and what?
Ashawo,
And
Ronsgay.
What's the
what's
difference?
the difference?
No, there's a difference.
Talk the difference now.
Ronsgay the package.
Waiting should the package a vagina.
Hold on.
Wait, Ashawo go knock you inside car. Ashawo go knock you maybe like one small room. Ronsgay go carry and go hotel, fancy restaurant, chop first, get good time, swim, bath
But
together.
you still knock am.
Eh,
But you still knock am. The end,
but-
the end products na still knock.
At the end,
but wait, the knack na no.
And you go
The,
see pay.
e be like you dey waka.
Even you go even pay more sef. That one you go pay food, you go pay hotel
I'm papi
bill,
spending. I
everything.
pay anyhow.
Listen.
No, my guy won't teach me something. I never learn am before. I never hear him. He won't tell me what I
The
never hear.
truth of
before.
the matter is, get difference.
Same thing.
And everything get departments. We get sophisticated ashawos.
You don't mean
Hold
it.
on.
Yes, now.
They level. That thing runs girl. Which year you begin hear them? It's a new slogan.
Since
Yeah.
I was born.
It was no. Since you were born,
No,
well, I
Ashawo
forget
G.
say it be 16 or 17 years old.
Ashawo.
Sweet
It's the word, but that word Ashawo not the oldest language. But the more we've been growing up, more slogans they come out. Olosho na new slogan. When we they do our thing back in the days, that word did not exist. So many people know they make and look like say it get difference. No, there's no difference.
packaging.
It all depends on how you do your thing. Back to waiting in talk say, if you knock on the first date, that means there's no difference between you and
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 Olosho.
runs girl.
or a call girl, whatever it is you want to see. It depends on how you like. If you go meet a Igbo man and say,
Personal.
it be Olosho, he doesn't know what that slogan is. It's a Nigerian.
If you hold yourself.
Hold on, no.
Like Shey.
No. It's a Nigerian slogan. If Ghana say if you don't understand them, they for their own country they get their own. The same thing with Ron's girl. It's just but universal language is prostitute,
Sex
call
worker.
girl. We have a universal. You know what I'm saying? So it's just different slogan. If you go east, people they call something different. North, they call something different. So everybody has their own slogan. So for me, it's just not. There's no difference. But back to what you said about if you knock on the first date, say there's no difference between you, Ron's girl, and Olosho. I disagree with you.
Oh, yeah, no. Why?
Because if I'm not mistaken, you now went further. Talk say you prefer, Abi?
Yeah.
You prefer which type?
The wait, the
To
chill.
wait.
Yeah.
You prefer to wait.
Yeah.
You can't get the girl.
They make the thing, they linger. Okay. Something you wait long for. It not be like fast food. If I want chop, they make a microwave and give you chop.
But I want to tell you something. And I don't want to sound cocky or make you bless. I sound.
You have been sounding
arrogant.
cocky since. I'm used to it.
I don't want to. I don't want to sound like that. But people where they like this kind of thing, they be show free.
I mean, get my way to
But to me, I even get
I mean,
question. All the babes and where you don't wait.
Hold on,
All
yeah.
the babes where you don't wait to have sex with.
Yeah.
How long did your relationship last with them? Did it determine the
Longevity,
longevity of,
yeah.
of the relationship? The
No,
wait.
not really. Not really. But I mean, if it have happened faster,
You would
it
have
not gonna
ended.
last long as.
How long? How long?
Because you
don't-
feel like say you just snack and the interest don't
But
reduce.
at the bottom, like, you know, they will
Do you
tell
get?
them.
It's a lie.
You are not with any of them.
You don't do with any of
You
them.
don't wait for them.
No.
You-
I
have many of them.
I bet you. It's in your opinion, it they work for round.
Thank you very much.
It
Do you know how long I've been
see,
waiting for Pearl?
No, they your league.
He prefers.
in my league.
No.
Wait. He
Now,
prefers.
league they play. Which league they play?
He prefers to wait and he go see.
La Liga.
See, you mean get people like me. If I want to achieve something, we say I want to achieve them. If I don't dey near that thing, where I know say I go soon achieve them, I don't dey give up. I don't dey tire. I want to move to the next thing. Now, some people have the ability to wait, enjoy it, take care of it. Me, as I don't get them, I don't tire. That's what he's saying. He's
And the
saying,
girl go quick tire,
as
you
he
go
don't
just move
get
on.
The girl, he don't tire. He won't move on. Now you won't be that. No, baby. No bad blood.
I meet you for the first time. Just give it
And
to
I
me.
want to correct something. Everything is not marriage. Everything is not how the longevity
Longevity,
when I don't kill me
yeah.
of the relationship last. Sometimes it's the memory. The relationship is scattered in the next 2 weeks. It doesn't mean
Okay, so are you saying that it's more memorable when you
he
wait?
prefers. He's saying it.
To me.
It's more
I'm just
memorable
buttressing
when
what
you
he
wait.
said.
Yes,
But
now.
at the bottom line, you know, still my mom say you know still deal with any of this.
So it's not.
You know,
That's the
now
thing.
they talk.
Whether
It's
you
not about.
the first day.
It's not about
Why?
marriage.
There's a difference.
You're getting it
The
wrong.
one
You
who
said
are
marriage
married.
your own too.
No.
Wait now,
I
the
dey
one who
ask
are
am how long will it last. See, if you
Now
get
they
long
talk
term,
say.
hold on.
Why be
say
saying
your-
that question? Na him
Why
be
no
the
go
new-
ask am because
Nah.
him talk say first date,
Okay, ma allow
sex
am
on the
answer.
first
Oh, yeah.
date, they make am see you,
Uzo.
see the babe as person wey
Uzo.
dey sell
That's
the
just
babe.
a-
Both
Eh-heh.
cases, I know they with the girls right
In
now.
both cases.
But the one who I wait for last longer than the one where I quick collect.
That's what
Do
he's
you get
saying.
my
That's his
point?
Well, that's you.
Exactly.
All this thing where they talk. The truth
so
of the
free.
matter is
I be so
no.
free.
The truth of the matter is, it depends on the league where they play this thing. For this Lagos where I
Attention.
dey, right? I know babes will say they see you, they like you. Trust me, they go down with you. You no fit near them because no be that
Again.
league.
Again, they lock up.
You know what I'm saying? Trust me, all this thing it differs. No be it no gets one way
Exactly.
where it fit be. You know what I'm saying? So I mean,
19.
that's what it is.
And again,
So I
women
got-
sleep with. Or women have sex with people they want to have sex with. They have sex with men they want to have sex
Who's
with.
do you want to have
Nah.
sex with me?
Yes.
Nah.
You don't want to have sex
No.
with a guy.
Nah.
And then you have sex.
That's not it.
Hold on.
Let's stop doing that, girl.
Okay, hold
Let's
on,
stop doing that to yourself,
No,
girl.
no, I'm not doing that. No.
No, I want
Women have sex with who they want to have
sex.
sex with.
The reason I'm saying now, of course, I would not invalidate what your point is because you have a reason. But I'm saying you could sleep with a guy that you don't want to have sex with.
How did you get
I mean,
there?
of course, he's
And
not
we're
going to rape
talk
you.
about rape.
No, I know. I'm saying that's why I said that he's not going to rape you. But there's something with manipulation, and it works.
At
Men
that
do
point,
it
you don't
well.
agree now. You don't agree to sleep
See,
with them.
manipulation. You feel
If
leave
you
am,
never
then you can't hate
want,
yourself. What the
Wait,
hell?
how I take even do
But
this thing? How I
listen,
change?
no,
Well,
are you listening to me? But I'm just saying
Personally,
that
I've never been manipulated.
that's why I said I will
into
not
sex.
invalidate your point because of course they come from one
I
place.
sleep with who I want to sleep.
Of
with.
course, that one day.
I have
But
sex with who I want to have sex with.
my boyfriend, even my own boyfriend, ex, of course, now.
Okay.
If he brings some correct money, say, Alpha, that's my. I'll say, baby, I'll do a lotion in my relationship. Do you understand? I don't want to that period. And there'll be guys.
But
that
you had
just-
sex with me because you wanted to
No,
at that point.
you are missing the want.
How is
to.
that
The willingness is
manipulation?
not.
The willingness
There's
is not
something
there.
attached.
There's something attached. So
Sometimes it can be
Hold
money.
on,
it
but
can
you
be-
were not
Take-
forced into it.
That's why I said Did is not
did
here.
he coerce you into it?
Of course, he coerced me into
can be
it.
coerced.
You see
Money
money.
with
Sweet, of course.
now.
So
You
I'm
see
saying,
money.
listen, I could sleep with
Do
a
you
guy
like,
because
can you
of.
see that money?
Can you? Oh
Wait,
God.
wait, know that some guys can offer you that same money and you will not sleep with them.
Of course,
Women have sex with who they want to have
No,
sex
can you
with.
listening to
drop your
me? The
point, drop
point.
your point.
Listen, would you come? It's not about to win. That's why I said I will not
No,
invalidate
not
your
about
point.
to win.
Exactly. I will not invalidate your point. You are right. I'm talking from my own end. I could date or sleep with someone because of his societal status, just to chop out of it. Guy, I'm not lying. I could sleep with you because you smell so good.
Maybe I smell
And then
good,
when
you know?
I'm done, your attitude could be shitty and I'm done. It doesn't mean I want to. I just want to enjoy that part of it and get out of here.
Per,
Another guy go offer you this money. He go long past your
Why
guy
are you
money.
missing
If you no want to sleep with him, I'm not go sleep
missing
with
the
him.
point?
I'm not missing it. Yeah, you want missing my own point.
I think
You guys are missing each other.
I think
You are missing each
from the
other.
beginning I would not do this.
Now you dey miss my point.
You know what? I agree with your point. Oh yeah, I
I
agree.
go see tall fine guy wey smell nice
Like me.
and I still no go want sleep with him.
Of course. Do
Do you understand?
First off, do you know
Because
that you cannot
time,
sleep with everybody?
I don't want to have sex with him.
Listen. Do you know
And I
that?
see one tall fine guy wey
You know what?
smell
I
still
agree.
nice.
Oh, yeah, I agree.
But I want to sleep with him.
See, you know, waiting I start my talk with be say, I not go invalidate your points. You're coming from a place, and that's very cool. And they come from a place, and they tell you me. You hear a lot of time I use the word me. And I know say a lot of viewers go, they understand, say, yes, I have done. A lot of girls know come and say, oh man, because this guy smell won't kill me. Like, make me. Do you understand? They not go talk about after they talk, they all of now. When I hear you know,
Yeah, now.
girls they do things because of things. People they even do it because of money day. People they do it because of status day. People they do it because they want a particular job day.
that time where you do one for shawarma, why?
Tell us now.
Maybe because shawarma they freak me that time.
Yeah.
Now I feel my shawarma. Shawarma, get the hell out of
This is
here. Bring back, boo. So yeah. See, I feel like the miss of word here is you keep hearing want from my word. Want. I could. Then he smells good. Then I want to do it. Now you make you the feel say, okay, that's the point I'm making. I'm saying, yes, the English may be the same, but we're coming from two. You are saying, if a woman does not want to do it in your own context, okay, help me understand where they come from. The context.
Let's say you don't
the
understand.
context
It's
where they
simple.
come from, you needed to have finished 400 level.
Okay. Without
without
carryover. Yes. No
I
carryover.
think
no feet.
Everything might just support me.
Madam,
Now. I bring the contact. I don't still care. I don't still care.
At this point, if we
Yeah.
continue, you see Uza is it like they don't go meet for the same time.
Because we females now. Now,
But
so get matter. They
permit
know.
me to do this, Pada. We should talk something about initiation. If you initiate sex, say you make that person lose.
No. But
for a woman,
She don't
For-
talk
for
about
both
it.
sexes.
I'm even a liver. She
For
don't talk
both
about.
gender.
for female to initiate sex, it's not. It doesn't make you lose.
Male, uncle.
But the society, no, it doesn't make them lose.
Okay.
In fact, most females, all right, they rely on the men or they wait for the men to initiate sex.
Or give
The
a sign.
environment where we find ourselves. No, they let us express ourselves sexually. Now, just recently, women they come out boldly to talk about sex. With the hush. You know, if
We
you talk
agree,
about
yeah.
sex, they will quiet you.
That's true.
Wow.
So many people enter a relationship with that thing. Sometimes the thing go they hungry them. The akpekus go they breathe. Ooh.
Okay,
They
now
want
the sound
this
be that.
thing.
Ooh,
And now
ooh,
the
ooh.
thing they breathe.
You
That
see
is
that,
come. It they give them that humming sound. But to go tell the guy say or maybe verbalize them or even rub body or anything. No. Make if I do am now, the guy if see me as person with they cheap. And of course, some guys don't do them to some babes.
And they'll forever
Where
do
the
it.
babes initiate sex and they make them feel cheap. They make them feel like prostitutes.
Sis.
Even some husbands do them to their wives.
That thing would forever be.
Do you
Either
get?
people like
No,
it
So
or
that
not.
make-
sorry. Some girls don't do them to me and I feel cheap.
How much? How much? How cheap are you now?
No, I know they say na money. I mean, we come on.
No, cheap is a thing of the mind.
So she just begin talk sweet to me, and we knock. But for morning, I feel used.
I do that. I can relate because I do that sometimes.
Okay,
Yeah,
you sweet talk the
because
guy.
I don't be one of those girls where they say ovulation, they hits me the way they hit everybody. I'm looking for a man. But when he hits me, he hits me.
Jesus.
No, he hits me. I will
Hit and
seduce
run.
you with everything.
Wow.
And I don't come like this.
Target that.
Yeah.
I call it
Do
space.
you understand?
Yeah,
so
true.
a lot of girls don't do them. So it happen to guys. So I don't know about you guys, but I feel like there's, of course, guys are always horny in the way they say. But it been get hit period where they hit.
Are you on it? I don't think it's funny.
If you get on that heat period where they hit past the heat, where we say, see guy, I beg more just did the right place at the right time. This is sweet. I beg more enjoy
nice.
yourself. I beg.
At this point, I'm on hit.
Who you want it to be cool?
I'm on hit.
Me, I go do you hit and run.
I just feel on hit. Like, I want to wrap up. I will express.
Hey God.
I pity the guy we won't go express. Hey,
Hold on.
that guy.
Sorry,
Sure.
I feel this is offensive.
Oh, yeah.
Say this guy say
Wetin make you think saying a guy she won't go express am with?
No.
Now she talk
Pretty
am.
might take me there.
Now she talk am now. Okay,
Take
he don't
me
talk am
there.
now. He don't complete her statement. Man, she talk am now.
No. Sometimes I need these guys.
Now, baby, don't go give.
Nah,
Tell us
babe,
now.
she
Whether you
don't-
do
Alpha, Ada.
Babe,
You
she
did
don't-
Say na woman, I be
Don't
na
forget
man.
that word guy. Na the guy babe.
Stud.
Okay.
Okay, now the guy. I bet.
That one
Now,
said
penis, you want to go meet
Because
having a vagina.
if
Talk
woman they call a fellow woman, she go say, my guy doesn't even call me now. Yeah. I tell let's
I mean, all
know.
come now, come. Just come, they come. No
As far
worry.
as
Whether you come through man or you come through woman.
Come.
Overcomer.
Dog be sweet now.
Bring back you're dirty. You're dirty.
But you see, I tell you, say this talk today go burn in her ear. And truly, and I know people don't pay. As they stand up post, now so they be.
He's sweet.
You know me. I be thinking I'm pretty much. I be spending, you go get that this thing.
In the tackle me say no be first
If
day
they
be
fear me
hook
now
up.
because I tell us I was slicing.
Now don't make I don't call your
No,
direction.
but why you go expect me and Papi to see the
Ewi,
name
Ewi,
Papi? There's no way short. How? I know. I feel offended now. Say you.
Ada, please, I think I'm done with this podcast. Right now, I'm emotionally downcast. I'm hot in my soul. You're
You know
hurting
that
me.
thing. And I know a shop go big. Since he don't there, and I pillow takes it down top this show.
Hey, God.
Oh no, like a pillow. And cross bag.
But seriously, I really enjoy today. And anytime when you watch him, you go no say pretty Mike.
You're in trouble.
Actually, see, I forget the calm face. So you know just.
He doesn't even have a calm
No,
face.
everybody know that one
You
now.
know, just be alright. That it don't enter everybody one by one. It shall collect. It shall give us our own bullet.
I don't collect anything. You know,
You want you not
collect.
collect.
Me?
You not collect.
No be tell me
You say that guy, you say you go express, babe.
That one not collect. But that one sweet.
No, I don't like babe something.
No. You don't look.
Eh.
I won't wrap up. I don't talk again. I won't wrap up. But thank you very much to Pretty Mike, to Bear, to Uzo, and of course, Papi Spendy, my guy. On top of this episode, say if you knock on the first date, it make you cheap. Not only you chuchu go answer am for your mind. As they watch this sign, go answer am for your mind. And don't say you don't knock on the first date. No lie. You don't knock. Ooh.
And he go say that.
Thank God
Go say
me.
that another one.
Thank God me, I'm a virgin. I never do all those kind of things.
We don't dey go our house, babeg. Like watch download share
Subscribe.
It go burn your ear.
Hey.
ChookMouthGeng. Now I'm serious.
Just bye.
Just
Thank
fine.
you.